We are still busy with sequences and series. These are important concepts based on number patterns and finding the total value of all accumulated amounts. It will have formulas that will be modified for use in finance and other fields. Alright, now we are going to deal with arithmetic series, which are the additions or sums of the terms of arithmetic sequences. Arithmetic sequences are sequences with a constant difference. In order for us to find the sum for any given number of terms, we will first need to find the value of a, which is equal to the first term. And then we will need to find the value of d, which is the constant difference found from subtracting term 1 to 2 or any set of consecutive terms. After getting the values of a and b, we need to check the number of terms that we are adding, and that becomes the value of n in the formula. We then substitute and calculate. Here is an example of a question that requires us to go through the steps that are required to calculate the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. We are given the terms 2, 5, and 8. First, we are asked to find the next two terms. This helps us check what type of pattern it is. Then we find the general term, a formula to find any term from its position. By the time we get to step 3, we will already know the first term, the constant difference, and we will use n equals 50 in the SN formula. Let's see the answers. The first step is to figure out the pattern. Here we see that from 2 to 5 and from 5 to 8 is by adding 3. So to get the following terms, we do the same. 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 plus 3 is 14. To find the general rule for finding the nth term, we first identify the first term as 2 and the constant difference as 3. And then we substitute this into the Tn formula. Now we can finally find the sum of the first 50 terms because we already know the value of a and the constant difference, d. The value of n will be 50, which is the number of terms to be added. Then we substitute all this into the Sn formula and calculate to find our answer, which gives us 3,775. Let me know if you need more examples. For now, please do some exercises.